Hi, I welcome you to my YouTube channel, The Descendant. In this YouTube channel, we will have a lot of tutorials, a lot of covers, and a lot of ASMR videos coming in future that I will do. As I'm an artist, I'm a singer and a rapper, and on the side also an entrepreneur, and I do a lot of artistic things and also a lot of content creation. Therefore, you can expect a lot coming from this channel here. In today's video, we are talking about how to save a video from TikTok within TikTok and save it also separately in your phone. A lot of people ask me how this works and how this goes, so I'm going to make a separate introduction video, a separate tutorial video, how to save your TikTok video that you see on the For You page or somebody's profile, how to save it in your phone and that you can after that send it, or how to automatically save it within TikTok if you don't have the space inside of your phone. So this tutorial here is going to be there for you all, and it's going to be in 3 languages. So if you speak French or you speak German, there's other 2 videos in this language after that, so there you can go check it out. So hi, as said, in this video I'm going to show you all how to save a video in TikTok. So let's say you are having an account already. If you do not have one, there's another video how to create an account. If you have an account already, you open your TikTok, and then you, let's say, are on the For You page. Let's say you're scrolling down the For You page. You are here, and you choose to save this video here. Then you click the share button. I repeat, you click this button here, the share button, and then after that there's here this sign here, this very same sign here, which is after that the save button, and you can save it within TikTok for you to after that use it again or to replicate it. So let's say we save it now here, and to make sure you get that notification on top, and to make sure you can go and check it, and then you should have that black sign here. And when that black sign is here, then you know it is saved and it is 100% there. To now also double check again if it's really there, you go out of the For You page and you go here on that very same sign here, which is the same sign. You click on there, and then the video should be there, which is this one here. So it's the first video which is saved. So that's how to save within TikTok, to replicate it, to you use the video again or to duet it. And if you want to save the video, within your phone, it's just that button here, that very same button here. So that will be it, and that will be how to save your video within TikTok and how to save it inside your gallery of your phone by clicking this button here. So hope that you like this video, and thank you very much for leaving a follow, and see you by the next instruction video.
This is my heritage, all I'm inheriting. Money, the power, the making of marriages. Tell me something, you motherfuckers can tell me nothing. I'd rather die than listen to you. My DNA not for imitation, your DNA an abomination. This how it is when you're in the matrix, dodging bullets, ripping watching souls, stacking up the footage, living on the go, slipping in the villa, slipping from a Grammy, walking in the building, diamond in the ceiling, marble on the floor, bitches in.
Requests were people asking me, hey, how do I really actually reverse? Therefore, I decided I'm going to make a channel for y'all where I'm going to regularly put up videos how to reverse.
The Descendant covers DNA.
It's gonna be time now. It's been a long time, I've been asleep, but now I'm gonna be up on your face.